Hello and welcome back to another episode of The Muscle Whisperer with me, Kate Browne. In this episode, I'll be showing you a really fantastic posterior stretch for the shoulder. So I hope you enjoy, please like and share, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Cool, so the next technique I'm going to show you, my client is on the side again, because there's a lot of things you can do with the client on their side. This is a stretch I'm going to show you for opening up the front of the shoulder. So this is really good for stretching the pectoral muscles and just creating space in that front aspect of the chest. So first thing you're going to do is carefully maneuver your client's arm. So I'm going to be taking their arm and moving it behind them. So this will vary with different clients depending on how much range of movement they have. So just do this slowly and carefully. So I'm going to support their arm like this, so it's by my side, and I am supporting their arm with mine under like that, so it's right tight next to the side of my body. Once I have it in this position, I'm going to move without standing up, so I'm not going to bring that arm up. I'm just going to move, keeping their arm at the same level until I'm almost at sort of 90 degrees. Sometimes if your client is flexible, you can get it to 90 degrees, but most of the time it will be a little bit less than that. Once you've reached this position, again, being careful not to sort of rise up too much, want to keep this level. I'm going to use my other hand to keep them from falling backwards. So this is the support hand, and I'm putting this just below the shoulder blade on their back, and because what we're going to be doing is very gently pulling the arm this way and sinking with it, and we want their body to stay upright. So I like to use the breath of this. So I ask my client to take a breath in, and on the breath out, I'm then gently bending my knees and I'm bringing their arm downward, which is creating a stretch through the front of the shoulder. So you don't need to go far. This is a very strong stretch, and you don't want to hang out here for too long either. Always want to check that your client is comfortable. So is that okay for you? Okay, so you always want to check in with this one, and I always do it on the breath as well. So again, I'd get them to take a breath in, and on the breath out, I'm just pulling in towards me. In fact, I'm just leaning my weight back a little bit, but again, I'm maintaining, I'm pushing through my other supportive hand, making sure that they are not falling over. Okay. And then when you're ready to come out of that, you want to do this carefully as well. You don't just want to throw the arm away. So my preferred method is to keep hold of the arm here. I'm just going to bring it up, and the arm is going to come directly above them. And I'm just going to bend their arm at the elbow, and I just give a little lift through the shoulder there as well. So the arm is bent, I'm just supporting my hands at the elbow, and I'm bending my knees and then straightening a little to give a stretch through the shoulder there. And I'm placing their arm carefully back down. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as I can. If you enjoyed today's video, then please like, share and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you again soon.